Guys, Celtic here, and today we're gonna play Need for Speed No Limits Episode 4. Yes. Gonna pause the video. What's up, guys? I am back, and and still loading. And let's just wait for it to load again, and yup. Why does my voice change when I record it? I really need a microphone. Yes, seriously, I need a microphone. Anyway, before I was recording, I played Mobile Legends with my friends, Never Give Up or BJ, and Cholo. Yep, played Mobile Legends with them. Cholo was offline, when the battle came, and BJ was seriously good. The fuck? Damn, 5,000. 5,000 cash, guys. So, if this were in real life, I'd buy this. Oh, look. Look at that. Oh, I want that. Seriously. Okay, so, let's just load them docks. Let's go there and... Volkswagen 4. Damn. Okay, guys, 4 Volkswagen. Okay, like this garage. Okay, so let's go to this. Okay, look, I can buy the Volkswagen, I think. Okay, I remember this time. Please tell me. Okay. Okay. I don't like the Volkswagen, but then I don't like about the Volkswagen is I don't know. I don't like it. So, and anyway, when we are playing Mobile Legends, we seriously won. I got many kills. Yup, I got many kills, guys. Look, for free. Another one. Oh no, it failed. Come on, come on. Let's buy again. Come on. Buy again. Come on, 7,000 more. Oh, come on. I'm gonna kill you. How about this one? I got so many gold, guys. Okay, come on, let's buy again. There you go. Ooh. Oh, you just received your version. Another. Oh no, I can't go. No. Damn. So, anyway, let's go here. Yep. The garage, I mean. And by the way, guys, be sure to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for all the love and support. By the way, guys, have you watched, guys, the Spider-Man? I mean, the Amazing Spider-Man 2. That movie was awesome, and I wanted to play that, guys, seriously for long. Okay, let's upgrade this. Now, let's go to first. I need to upgrade. Okay. I'm gonna see what's better. Oh, this Volkswagen is better. Okay, that's good. So, now, let's go here. Yes, wait. Let me just check something in the garage. Since the Volkswagen is uncompleted, car chop shop. How to get to the chop shop? Where's the chop shop? Okay, I'm gonna find the chop shop. Where's the chop shop? Where's the chop shop? Is it in the mud shop? No. Let's go to the color. Window tint. Seriously black. Yes. And go to body shop. Body kit instances. Let's see the ending one. Oh, damn, son. Okay, so we can buy much more anyway. Let's just go and let's go to the spoiler if it no. So we haven't unlocked anything yet but the color. Oh no. Let's go to the color. Yep. Anyway, guys, be sure to leave a like and subscribe to my channel, guys. Yep. Okay, how to do this? Apply wraps. Maybe over here. How can I? How did I change my color? Okay, so how can I change the color? Okay, I think it's the body. There. The color to light blue. Okay, it's blue. There we go. There we go, guys. It looks like more handsome. So let's start, guys, and let's go to campaign and let's raise some, guys. There we go. So by the way, guys, go to my friend's channel, Run Corpus Plays, and Pirate Gaming 717. Yes, that's their channel. I'll give the link down in the description below. If I forgot, it's okay. Just comment down below if I forgot. Anyway, guys, let's go for 25 subscribers, guys. Yes, we can do it. And I remember that time in YouTube when I post my first video. It was on the wait lang. It was on my first video. It was Minecraft, and seriously bad guys. Okay, let's just go this. Okay, nail those jumps. Alright, I don't care. Okay, so this was 1999. Okay, fuck you. Okay, oh there we go. So yeah, so can we get 3 likes or 2 likes? I mean 2 likes for this video, guys. Can we get 2 likes for this video? So I will make more. Yes. Oh, thought that was the car. I mean, you know, I forgot who is his name. It is Nitro for sure. Oh, I almost thought that was something to do with it. Yes, I seriously. Oh, you guys see that? Damn. Anyway, in this Need for Speed, the races are so short. The race is seriously slow. 25. I need 30 to next level. Alright. Mystery prize. Okay, come on. Okay. What input shaft? What's input shaft for? Alright. I really want this. Let's go here. Acceleration. Ooh. Now it's 278. Sorry about that, guys. Now let's go here. Another one to the campaign is, I think we're gonna finish this today, guys. This 3, I'm gonna finish it today. Okay. So that's my channel, guys. Yup, subscribe to it. And for the newcomers, guys, welcome to the of my channel, Sky6027S. And so anyway, this channel, I made this channel to entertain you guys and to get money, of course, to help my mom to buy my tuition. Yep, my tuition fee for the school. Okay, this is seriously annoying when I'm using mobile. Almost got me. Okay. Damn, I'm doing something with my hand. Okay, there we go. Yes, nitro. So if you want me to go to do face cam, guys, just comment down below. Yeah. So I don't recommend using face cam when you're recording this, because it will block the screen if you cannot see, and you're not gonna see it. So that's why I hate face cam doing races and stuff. But I'm gonna use face cam, guys, if you want it. Now let's go back to the garage. Volkswagen. Nitro. Ooh, nitro. It's installed. Now it's 280, guys. Awesome. Now let's go to campaign, and I'm gonna beat it, guys. It's already 12 minutes. Damn, the time is so fast. Anyway, I've gone to the Google Play Store to find more games, but I can find some. I only saw the most amazing game. I really want the Amazing Spider-Man 2. Yes, I really want that, but I think I'm gonna download it. But I don't have enough space in my cell phone. I mean my mother's cell phone. I'm recording this with my mother's cell phone. I don't have my own cell phone yet. What's up, guys? I am back, and let's finish this race. Oh, come on, overrev. Overrev means supercharge my nitro. Okay, if you say so, let's supercharge it. Oh my god, I remember this one. I remember this one. I really remember this one, guys. Yes, this one is seriously amazing. Oh, hear that, guys. Oh, finally success. I'm level 7, I think. I'm level 7 now. 15 gold result and fuel refill. Oh, awesome. Oh, one left to go. Awesome. This is the final boss. Let's do this. Oh, I can't. So let's raise this. Oh, medium level. Oh, I gotta get some challenge here, guys. So anyway, guys, have you seen the movie Need for Speed? That was awesome. Awesome, guys. And the prison, and I like the cars there, and the Bugatti was destroyed there, guys. I spoiled you if you haven't watched it. Oh my gosh. Guys, see that, guys? I forgot to upgrade. Oh my god. No, okay. Let's do this. I forgot to upgrade. Come on, John. I forgot to upgrade. Why? Nail those jumps now. I don't care. At least we have the same speed. Oh, he's nitroing. She's gonna nitro. Damn. Gotta get faster than her. Come on, John. Come on, John. Nitro. Oh, come on. Come on. Oh, okay. Oh no, it's 50 for progress. Come on, guys. But we can do this, guys. Okay. I'm just gonna spam my nitro. God, fuck the police. Okay, I'm gonna wreck my... I think I'm gonna wreck my car. Come on. Moment of truth. It's the finish line. Come on. Whoa, I see it. I see it. Yes, I won. I won, guys. We won, I mean. Alright. 1,505. Awesome. You're this. Okay. Damn. I won, guys. Awesome. Okay, so let's go to the garage, guys, before I end the video. Oh, Mercedes, guys. Awesome. How can I raise my reputation? Okay, so let's upgrade my car. Okay. Let's stage up. Okay. Alright. Okay, it's upgraded. Okay. So is there something to upgrade? Okay. So I just level up. That's it. Amazing. So let's go. Okay, so let's go to the mod shop before I end the video here. Okay, here it is. Oh, it's pink color. So baby, pull me glow. Oh, that's good. Okay, so I don't have wraps yet. Okay. How can I? Okay, mud shop again. I have something. Okay. Badge. Hood. Win a hood, win a hood, win a hood. I don't have that yet. Loop scoop. Win a hood, win a scoop, win a scoop. Mirrors. Spoiler alert. Wow, that's a nice spoiler. I can see it. Can't. Exhaust. Win a hood. Oh. Wheels. Oh, I like that. Awesome. Damn. Look at my car.